open the door, grab it.
Alright, so we got both of the doors off. As you see, they're damaged there. And then we're going to put on the new doors that we painted the insides, and then we're going to take it off to the shop to get the outsides painted. Had to take out this wiring harness because the connectors are not the same for that connection there, but it was pretty easy actually. So we got that out, getting out the old harness, and we're gonna put it in the new door. So we're gonna take it and drop it off to the body shop, and they're gonna paint it, and we'll see about getting the truck bed sides fixed where it was scratched up. Just made it to the shop here.
Inside. Why didn't you go ahead and paint the outside?
Paul said he wanted to take care of it. Back on the update of this F-250. So we got it painted. As you can see, it's looking great. Looking great. Smooth. Just did a little bit of buffing. Ordered a grill and a tail light. So the UPS is here and he's picking it up. Go get him, boy. Get him parts. That's the first package here. This is the tail light. Is it in good condition?
Brand new. Now we got the grill.
This is also OEM, brand new. Gonna pull it off. Dang. Made by Ford. Alright guys, so we're gonna start with changing this grill. Replacing it with this one here because this one did get damaged, as you can see there. And it should be pretty simple. There's a clip. No, this one has all the clips. Alright, so we're about to swap this emblem. I believe it's just on a couple bolts around the back. That's a weird bolt.
Hold the emblem on that side. Grab it.
That's a beautiful grill for a beautiful truck.
Beautiful.
I like that chrome on these F-250s. Just snapped right into place. Bolts back in. And then this cover goes back on. And that's it for the grill. Now onto the tail light. For this tail light, it's just two bolts, two 8mm bolts, which is pretty simple. That's what I like about Ford. Put it off.
Oh, there's water in there.
Unclip it. Alright guys, so the truck is looking great. Got the doors painted, got all the interior panels put back in. Everything works. We got to put these back in. We may order just some chrome ones because they look pretty good. Got this panel in also. We also got to put that mirror back. That's about it. And now we're just sticking on the Power Stroke emblem and the 6.7 emblem. He's just mocking it up for now.
Or was it like this?
Alright guys, so this is a finished painted product of the F-250. It's looking great. I just came out to the park, do a little bit of bike riding, get that exercise in. It's beautiful out here. The truck looks good. Only thing we're missing is these door handle clips. They just clip right on. We didn't have matching ones, so we ordered that. Also a 4x4 sticker. But the truck is looking great. We also got a lift kit ordered in, so guys, stay tuned for that. We also got to order some wheels and tires. If you got any suggestions, let me know. We got the interior cleaned up. It's looking spiff. Looking great, guys. Check it out. There's just one stain I just noticed I need to pay attention to. Right there on the side of the seat. Door panels are detailed. Everything is clean. Got the mat, because we like to keep our vehicles clean. But it's looking great. Truck does have a reverse cam. It's kind of small, but Still does the job. It does have the engine brake, so that's a plus, because if you're going to be doing some heavy hauling trailers, it also got the trailer brakes down below there. It's got all the little buttons for heavy duty stuff. Dash is pretty simple. Steering wheel just got controls there, but it's pretty simple for the most part.
I can finally stretch and get caught at the identity. That's all star. One day you like
And stars, big. We do have some beautiful weather today, so I came out here to enjoy the park. It's looking beautiful. I got some new hats, guys, so these are to the people that are going to GoFundMe on the GoFundMe page. You will be entered into the giveaway. We got a couple colors here. I'm going to be showing you the colors in the next video, guys, so stay tuned on the colors. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned. We got a lot of builds coming. If you are a fan of the channel, be sure to check out goonsquad.com, get you some merch, and also visit my GoFundMe to help us reach our campaign goal, because we got a reason behind that. Read the story. And guys, stay tuned. We got a lot coming for this. We got a lift kit, some wheels and tires, so it's gonna look great. So drop some comments down below and we'll catch you next time. Peace.